Hi guys, so we are here. It is Saturday, so happy Saturday. Oh my gosh, I keep saying that, but then it's not actually a Saturday when I post it. Anyway.
It's okay. Hi guys.
Hi guys, here we are.
That way they know when we recorded.
Oh right, yeah, that's true. So yeah, that was really awkward. Anyway, so we are in Irvine right now, the OC area. We are actually gonna go get boba right now. We're really excited. I'm gonna show you a little OOTD, guys, because my outfit is super cute today.
It's fire.
Yeah, it's super cute. And we'll do a little OTD of Spencer's because he looks super cute too. But yeah, we just wanted to come on here, just let you guys know that we're over here. We're gonna have lunch over here, and then we're gonna head back. Don't know what we're doing, guys, and guess what? I got Spencer a PlayStation 5 because I'm the best girlfriend in the whole world for Valentine's Day.
That's very true.
Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and go get some boba. Maybe we'll show you guys a little clip here and there, but we wanted to catch you guys up.
Tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous.
Unfortunately, they don't get sample ones anymore. Oh, that one's not. Oh, you twisted it. Yeah, yours is smooth.
Hi guys, so we just came back from eating. It was really yummy. I had like a little flatbread pizza, and then Spencer had what was it called?
Piadini sandwich.
Yeah, piadini sandwich, which was really cool actually. Like, we like the idea. That's why we came to eat over here. But now we're gonna head back to the San Bernardino area. So it's gonna be a little bit of a drive. We just wanted to keep you guys updated. We had such a great time over here in the OC area, so now we're just gonna head back over there. And actually, Spencer's gonna go to work today for a work thing. He has like a work thing today, so I'm just gonna be hanging out at home for the evening. Probably hang out with my dogs and such, but yeah, it's been a pretty good day though. It's been a really nice Saturday. We have a 3-day weekend, so that's always really exciting, honestly. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead, do the drive back, and we will keep you guys updated about if we do anything else or not. But we've had such a good day so far, like such an amazing day so far. So yeah, we'll go ahead and vlog you guys later.
Hi guys, it is Sunday. Early afternoon, here with the star of the show, Stephany.
Aw, thanks.
And we're here with all the puppies.
Yep, they're all in the back.
We're gonna go pick up my big puppy, our big Deku. We're gonna take him to the park. They're gonna run around and be friends.
Yeah, and play a little bit. Yeah.
So we'll show you guys some clips of them being crazy at the park together, and we'll vlog you guys later.
Hey guys, so I am over here waiting for Spencer. He went to go get Deku. He's gonna be driving to the park just because all of the dogs, I get a little nervous, so he's gonna do that. Hey babe.
Hi. Sorry, did I interrupt it?
No.
I'm actually just getting the puzzles first.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so we brought our puzzles. We're gonna drop them off at his house. He's gonna go get Deku. So we're gonna go to the park. I'm very excited, guys. We've been having such a wonderful weekend, honestly. Like, this has been such a great weekend. And tomorrow is Valentine's Day, so we're super excited to celebrate. I have all the pups here with me. You know what, guys? I didn't do an OOTD yesterday, but I'll go ahead and insert a picture, hopefully. Unless I have to make 2 videos out of this vlog, because sometimes they get really long. But, yeah, so I'll go ahead, try to do an OOTD today, because I kind of really like my outfit today, too. So, it's just very red, very festive, you know? So, we're gonna go ahead and just wait for Deku to come. All the puppies are in the back, being cute. So, we're gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, relax, you're fine. You're fine. You're fine. Shh. Well, guys, I'm gonna vlog you later. Here we are. We have Deku there. We have the pups over there. Sorry, Deku slobber. We have some more down here. And then we have Paloma, who's like down underneath where like passengers put their feet. But yeah, we are about to head back. We're gonna head over to Spencer's house right now. Sorry, the AC is blasting because it's hot in here, and like we want to make sure the dogs are comfortable. So yeah, he went to go get the ball launcher. Spencer went to go get the ball launcher because we kind of had to leave it over there because, okay, so we had the dogs not on their leashes. They were just running around because we're trying to train them all to stay together with us. We thought it would be a good opportunity, but there was like a lady that kind of lost her dog. They were like, it was like off the, not off the leash, she lost the leash, I guess, and the dog came running towards us and kind of like freaked out the dog. So that was kind of unfortunate. Everything's fine though, you know. Deku was able to play with her dog for a little bit, and we were able to stop her dog from running away too far, so that was pretty good. But yeah, I just kind of made us a little on edge, so we kind of left the ball launcher over there. So yeah, everything's fine though. The dogs had a really good time. I'm really tired because I was running around. Babe, you were doing such a good job, thank you. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna head over to Spencer's house, give the doggies some water, and we're probably gonna make a grocery list and go grocery shopping because that's what's on the what is it, on our list today, I guess?
Agenda.
On our agenda today, I guess. So we're gonna go ahead, vlog you guys later.
Vlog you later.
Then you took my hand, said let's leave now.
Hi guys, so here we are. We went to go get some boba. There's this place called Boba Fiend Tea House. It's really, really good, close to where we live. So Spencer got a, what is it, babe?
Almond milk tea.
Almond milk tea with boba. And then guys, they messed up my order. So I don't know what happened, but they made 2 drinks because we asked for a mango smoothie, but I think they were, I don't know what happened. I don't know.
We asked the difference between the smoothie and the slushie.
Yeah, and I guess she put down both or something. Did they charge us for both of them?
No.
I don't know. Yeah, because I thought it was not that much.
Yeah, we only got charged for one.
So I wanted the smoothie, which is this one, but then they added boba to it for some reason. I don't know. And then I guess they realized that they messed up, but then they did the smoothie and they added the little mango, what are they called?
Mango jellies.
The mango jellies, but then they still messed it up. So I think at that point, they were just like, take both of them and leave.
You wanted the smoothie with the jellies.
Yeah, so it's fine though. I'm sure it'll be good either way, but yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. We're about to head back to Spencer's house. Oh, actually, babe, should we go to the grocery store first? Yeah. We're gonna go to the grocery store first, and then we're gonna head to Spencer's house. But we'll vlog you guys later. Hi guys, we just got to Stater Brothers. We are about to head inside the store. We'll go ahead and show you guys what we get and stuff like that. But yeah, we just wanted to let you guys know we're here, and then we're going to head out to Spencer's house afterwards.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If you stop.
Hi guys, so we are at Spencer's house. I'm gonna show you a haul of everything that we bought at Stater Brothers right now. So I'm gonna be unpacking things. So we got some chicken because tomorrow for Valentine's Day we're gonna cook dinner. Hey Deku, Deku Bear. We got some mayo. Deku, he's gonna drop it. Oh, we got 2 of these Dr. Pepper cream soda things. We got some Deku. Just kidding. We got some muffin pans, so we're gonna make cupcakes in these hopefully. We got some munchies, guys. Guys, you guys have no idea how much we've been looking for these munchies, like these slim and hot ones. Let me tell you, Spencer almost gave me a heart attack at the store when he's like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Just kidding.
I'm just excited that we found it.
Yeah, he was really excited, but he scared me. Oh, Deku Bear. And then we got some Parmesan, shredded Parmesan for our pasta tomorrow. Deku, you cannot have that one. You can have a banana. You should have a banana cake.
I have tried. He doesn't like it.
He doesn't like it? Oh. We have bananas. It's because you gotta put banana and yogurt on them.
Maybe peanut butter if I put peanut butter on it.
Like in the summer, babe, like there's like some really cool recipes you can make for dogs. We should make some for them. And then we got these little cupcakes. What are these called? Baking cups. They're called baking cups.
I would call it cupcake paper.
So we got that, and then we got some baby spinach. You don't wash that, babe. We got some classic Kit Caesar salad for when I go to work. So these are for me, actually. They're supposed to. Those are for me, so those are gonna go on the side. We got some French sandwich rolls. So we got these for like some hot dogs that we're gonna make right now. We were gonna make hamburgers, but we decided to make hot dogs. Babe, how about you start cutting up the potatoes right now? Because I feel like that's gonna take the longest, and I'll put all the stuff away.
You know where everything goes.
Huh?
You don't know where everything goes, do you?
Oh, I mean, okay, never mind then. I just thought it'd be faster.
Good idea. Good idea.
Yeah. And we got this, what is this? Backyard barbecue salad with chicken. And we got a Santa Fe one. So we got those. We got some strawberries because tomorrow we're making chocolate covered strawberries. We got some little jalapenos for our bacon wrapped hot dogs today. Another Santa Fe style salad. We got some half and half for tomorrow. We got some pickle slices because Spencer loves pickles, as you guys know if you guys have been watching our videos. If not, Spencer likes pickles. We got some Chick-fil-A sauce. We got some chicken hot dogs. Okay, guys, Spencer's rolling his eyes at me. But like, okay, how many of you guys just don't like beef hot dogs, okay? Like, I'm one of those people. I don't know. My whole life I've eaten chicken or turkey, but I prefer chicken. He thinks it's so weird. So he's just like, I guess. And then we got some classic white chips for the strawberries tomorrow. We have some mustard for today. We have some hickory smoked bacon for the hot dogs today. We got some chicken broth for tomorrow. Here is Spencer's premium beef hot dogs, because he thinks I'm a weirdo, but that's fine. He knew I was weird though. He did. Did you not, babe?
I did. I still want to marry you.
Yes, and he still wants to marry me, guys. Get you a boyfriend who thinks your weirdness is great for you. For them. For them, not for you. Okay, so then we also got some Lay's, the flaming hot ones. And then we got some cheddar ruffles because that's a necessity. So in our last bag here, this was the heaviest. We got some traditional basil pesto for tomorrow. We got some rigatoni pasta. We got some strawberry, what is this? For the cupcakes. Strawberry mix? Cake mix? We got some all-purpose flour for tomorrow. We also got some milk. I feel like this is one of our bigger hauls, babe. We got some Valentina sauce because Spencer wanted to try it and I love it so much. I prefer it to Tapatio, but Tapatio still is really good. And we got some Stella Rosa Black for tomorrow. So we got those, and I think that's everything that we picked up. We're gonna go ahead and start cooking, and we'll catch you guys afterwards to show you guys our end product.
Vlog you later.
We'll vlog you later.
Got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. And I'm running out of time. How would she feel to save? And I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. He doesn't know my name. Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen the sky so blue. We don't ever play it in the night is done. It doesn't matter what we do. Ain't nobody like you. Look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours.